Hey there. So, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Manychat with Activecampaign using Zapier. This is the full updated guide for 2026. And yeah, no coding needed at all. By the end of this video, you'll have your chatbot leads automatically synced into Activecampaign. All right, let's jump in. First, open Zapier and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're inside Zapier, click on Create Zap. This is where we'll connect Manychat and Activecampaign together. For the trigger app, search for Manychat and select it. Then choose a trigger event like new subscriber or new tag added, depending on how you collect leads. Yeah, either one works fine. Now connect your Manychat account. You'll be asked to log in and approve access. Just follow the prompts and confirm. Next, for the action app, search for Activecampaign. Choose an action like create or update contact. This makes sure new chatbot users are added automatically to your email list. Now connect your Activecampaign account using your API URL and API key. You can find both inside your Activecampaign settings under Developer Options. After that, map the fields, like email, first name, or phone number, from Manychat into Activecampaign. Once everything looks good, run a quick test. If the test passes, you're all set. Finally, turn the Zap on. From now on, every new Manychat lead will automatically appear in Activecampaign. Smooth, simple, done. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.